Everyone thinks the best-selling dryer vent cleaning kit is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Petode Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. The Petode 2-pieces dryer vent cleaner kit. Priced at just $7.99, this kit caught my eye because it's designed to be compatible with most vacuum cleaners. If you want a quick and effective way to clean your dryer vent, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The flexible brush with a wooden handle and the plastic hose attachment help you reach deep into those narrow spaces where lint builds up. The Stretch Universal Connector is a big deal. No more worrying about whether it'll fit your vacuum. Plus, it's long enough to clean years of accumulated lint, which can really improve your dryer's efficiency and even help prevent dangerous fires. Now, some people complained about the build quality, saying it felt a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's lightweight, which makes it easier to maneuver. Just be careful not to put too much pressure on it. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, this might still be a great choice. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or just want an easy way to maintain your dryer's performance. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty or have a bigger dryer setup. It offers solid value for the price.
Product number 2, Holikme 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. At $20, this one's a little pricier, but it offers some great features that caught my attention. If you want a thorough clean without calling in a pro, this could be your best option. The standout feature here is the 30-foot reach, which means you can really tackle deep lint buildup. The kit includes 2 high-quality brush heads and rods that you can use with or without a power drill. This flexibility is key. You can get professional results without the hassle of scheduling appointments. Plus, it significantly improves dryer efficiency, ensuring your clothes come out dry every time. But I'll be real with you. Some users found the assembly process a bit confusing. Now, that could be a deal breaker for some, especially if you're not the DIY type. However, once you get the hang of it, the results are worth the effort. This is ideal for homeowners who want to maintain their dryer without professional help. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick fix, as it requires a bit more setup.
Product number 3, Sea Legend 58 Pieces 35 Feet Kit. The Sea Legend 58 Pieces 35-foot dryer vent cleaner kit priced at $27.99. This kit is packed with tools, which really piqued my interest. If you want a comprehensive cleaning solution, this is definitely worth a look. What sets this kit apart is its 35-foot brush and a variety of attachments, including a lint grabber and blockage removal tool. This means you can tackle not just your dryer, but also air ducts and hard-to-reach corners. The versatility is impressive, allowing you to clean multiple appliances with one kit. And with over 3,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that users are finding it effective. That said, some customers pointed out that the vacuum attachment doesn't fit all brands, specifically Dyson and Shark. While this could be a limitation for some, the sheer number of tools in this kit makes it a great investment for anyone needing a thorough clean. This is perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution for their cleaning needs. Skip this if you only need to clean your dryer occasionally. This kit is best for frequent use.
Product number 4, Holikme 58 Pieces 35 Feet Kit. We have another Holikme product, the 58 Pieces 35 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, priced at $25.60. I was drawn to this one because it offers a lot of essential tools for a decent price. If you're looking for a complete cleaning kit, this might just fit the bill. This kit includes everything from a dryer vent brush to a lint trap brush and vacuum attachments. The nylon rods extend up to 35 feet, allowing you to reach deep into your vent system. This is crucial because built-up lint is a fire hazard, and cleaning regularly can save you from potential disasters. Users have pointed out that it's simple enough to use with or without a power drill, which makes it quite versatile. On the downside, some users noted that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing. If you're the kind of person who enjoys a challenge, you might find the setup fun. But if you want something straightforward, this might feel a bit daunting. This is great for proactive homeowners who want to ensure their dryer runs efficiently. Skip this if you prefer a more hands-off approach to cleaning.
Product number 5, Holikme 40 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. We have the Holikme 40 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, priced at $26.99. This caught my eye because of its extended reach and easy usability. If you want a flexible cleaning option that covers a lot of ground, this is one to consider. With a flexible lint brush and a drill attachment that extends up to 40 feet, it's designed to remove lint from even the trickiest spots. The brush heads come in different sizes, which is fantastic for tackling everything from your dryer to those hard-to-reach areas behind appliances. Regular cleaning means keeping your dryer working efficiently, which everyone can appreciate. However, some users reported that the brush heads can be a bit too soft for tough lint, which can be frustrating. But honestly, if you're cleaning regularly, this shouldn't be a huge issue for most people. This kit is perfect for anyone wanting to simplify their dryer maintenance routine. Skip this if you have a larger space that requires more heavy-duty tools.
In summary, each of these kits has something unique to offer. The Pet Ode is budget-friendly, while the Holic Me options provide versatility and reach. The Sea Legends stand out with its comprehensive tools, and the last Holic Me kit is perfect for those who want flexibility in their cleaning. Choose the one that best suits your needs, and you'll keep your dryer running smoothly while preventing fire hazards.